Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 18. Let us straight away go to our quiz. A jelly-like fluid inside the cell in which the organelles are suspended. Cytoplasm. A network of fibers that hold the cell together helps the cell to keep its shape and aid in movement. Cytoskeleton. Control center of the cell. Nucleus. Powerhouse of the cell. They make ATP. Mitochondria. A system of membranes that is found in the cell cytoplasm and that assists in the production, processing, and transport of proteins and in the production of lipids. Endoplasmic reticulum, the rough and the smooth. Cell organelle that stores materials such as water, salts, proteins, and carbohydrates. Vacuole. An organelle found in plant and algae cell where photosynthesis occurs. Chloroplast. Cell organelle filled with enzymes needed to break down certain materials in the cell. Lysosomes. A system of membranes that modifies and packages protein for export by the cell. Golgi apparatus. Cell organelle that aids in the cell division in animal cells only. Centrioles. Photosynthesis is a redox process in which water is dash and carbon dioxide is dash. Water is reduced and carbon dioxide is oxidized. Photosynthesis is the process that converts dash energy into dash energy. Solar energy into chemical energy. Almost all plants are dash, using the energy of sunlight to make organic molecules. Photoautotrophs. Heterotrophs are the dash of the biosphere. Consumers. Chloroplasts are structurally similar to and likely evolved from dash dash. Photosynthetic bacteria. Dash are the major locations of photosynthesis. Leaves. Carbon dioxide enters and oxygen exits the leaf through microscopic pores called stomata. Chloroplasts are found mainly in cells of the dash, the interior tissue of the leaf. Mesophyll. Thylakoids may be stacked in columns. Granum. Dash is the main photosynthetic pigment. Chlorophyll A. Accessory pigments such as dash broaden the spectrum used for photosynthesis. chlorophyll B. Accessory pigments called dash absorb excessive light that would damage chlorophyll. Carotenoids. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology Master Part 18. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.